So how to import the file? I need to just remind you people that I'm using the 2016 version of Microsoft Access. So in this case, you need to go to external data, and then you can see important links. And in important links, if you go diagonally upstairs like there towards the right side, you will see the text file. But what if you're using Microsoft Access 2019 and above versions? So in that case, what you need to do, you need to click on the external data. Okay, in external data, you need to go to the import and link group. In the import and link group, you will see the first option, which is new data source. Click on that. A drop down list will come. From that drop down list, you need to select the first option from file, and from file in the sub menu you can click the last option, which is text file. Once you click on text file, this import text wizard will come in front of you like this one. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Now I need to click on browse, and then I need to see where my file is present. So it is present over here because I'm going to import it. There you go. Here it is present, and this is my work area folder. Inside I put all the source files. So which file I need to import? J2321 results. So this is the one. Double click on that. Now, and these three options, let the default option be there. Import the source data into a new table in the current database. You don't need to do any changes over here. Press OK. Now once you press OK, the import text wizard steps will load in front of you. You can see that import text wizard. In the first step, you don't need to do anything. Delimited, fix, let it be delimited, because characters such as comma, tab separate each field. Now here you can see that start code, last name, every field is being separated by a comma. Now click on next. In this step, you need to select this option. You need to choose this option. First row contains field names. Why? If you don't do that, the first row will be considered as a record, not as a field. So you need to click on this option. First row contains field names. A tick will come in this field, in this particular checkbox, and then you will see that the field names and the records will be separated. Okay. Now this is the file which I'm going to import. I'm not going to import. I'm just importing right now. Now here you can see you can match the data types, like for the different fields, what are the data types which are being given over here. So let's see. So you click on the field. Okay, now once that is done, click on next. Now yeah, here you can see if you click on that field, you will see the data type also. So there's the text also. First name is also text. Race number is number. That is long integer, that's fine. Then you have club name, category code as text. Club name is text, category code is text. Year of birth is long integer. Year of birth is number. Okay, that's fine. Then race time, date time. So date with time, that's okay. Then status is text. You can scroll it towards the right side from here, and status is short text, that's okay. And then event rank and category rank is number. Event rank, that's fine, that's okay. Once that checking is done, you need to move towards next. So I need to choose a primary key, so click on choose my own primary key. Here it by default selected start code. I don't need that. I need a field which is unique, which is not repeating. So I will click on race number. So that will be my primary key. So click on next. Click on finish. Now once you click on finish, this save import steps dialog box will come. You don't need to save the import steps, so click on close. Once you're done with that, you will see towards the left pan of your window the database table will be imported successfully, okay, without any import errors. So double click on it to open it and view. Now here I need to see certain things which are being mentioned in the paper, like race number, it should be 0 decimal places, year of birth 0 decimal places, event rank, category rank 0 decimal places, and the race time should be date/time, and this is the format which is written. Let me check whether it is the same or not to confirm it. So here is the race time. That's okay, that's fine. So I'm going to close it, right click, close. So just right click on the table, go to the design view. In the design view, you can do the modifications, you can do the changes as per the requirement of the paper. So go to the race number, 0 decimal places. There's the race number. So if you click on the field below, here you can see the field properties. Now, what I need to do here, so the race number should be 0 decimal place. So go to format. No, sorry. Don't go to the format, decimal places, just click here. Right now it's auto, so click on 0. So for this field, there will be 0 decimal place. Now the next one is year of birth. Click on the field year of birth, its field properties will come. Then the decimal places, just click here, it's auto again. You need to click on 0. Once that is done, move towards the next one, event rank and category rank. So this is the event rank. Click on this field and go to decimal places. From this pop-up list you can select 0 and click on the last field, category rank. Again go to the decimal places in the field properties. Just click here and click on 0. So these modifications are done as per this table, as per the requirement of the paper. Now this, let me see, this is there or not. For the, this is the field here of race time. So this is the race time. So let's see. So what is the format of the race time? Now from here you need to select what is the format. So that is basically the long time. Okay, it's not the medium time because AM and PM is not coming as per the paper. So I'm going to select the long time over here. So this is the format which is required. Now, if in any case, if you have selected the long time and your time is not coming as per the requirement of the paper, like this one, then you can change it also. From where? I will guide you. Just go towards the right side of your desktop screen. You can see the taskbar where the date and time is there. Just right click over there and click on the first option, adjust date and time. Once you click on adjust date and time, the date and time settings will come in front of you. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, so from these date and time settings you need to scroll down, go to language, go to language and region. Then from language and region, you can click on regional format over here. And then you need to click on change formats. Once you click on change formats, over here you can see the long date, the short time, the long time. So here in the long time, you click over here and you will see a lot of options. So you need to click on that option which suits your requirement. I hope you guys understood. So let's go back. So set the identifier as a primary key. I've done that. Save the data. Okay. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the field names, data types, and primary key used in the table. So I need to take the screenshot. So this is for step number 15. So go to your database again. So this is my table. I need to take the screenshot. So press Windows Shift S from the keyboard. Okay. once you press Windows Shift S from the keyboard, you will be able to take the screenshot. Now, I'm going to screenshot it like that from this part. There you go. There it is. That's it. No need to go for that. If you need to show some settings for that particular field, you can do that, but that's fine enough. Just release the left mouse click, go to the evidence document, and this is step number 15. So click here, right click, and then click on paste. Or you can use Ctrl V as the shortcut key also. So if the evidence is small enough, you need to drag it diagonally to increase the size of that, so that once you take the print, it's visible properly. So once that is done, go to the next step. Now, you need to import the file j2321 start_times.csv as a new table in your database. Now this time we are going to import this file. Use these field names and data types, and then you need to set the group code as the primary key. And again, you have to put the evidence of the field names and data types along with the primary key in your evidence document. So j2321. Again, we are going to repeat the same procedure. I will close it. Now, yeah, so you need to save it. Yes. Again, repeat the same procedure. External data, text file, browse. Now this time it is which file? j2321 start times. j2321 start times. Double click on that. Okay. Next. First row contains field names. Next. You can check the the data types. So here the first one is all text except the last one. All text. This is also text, this is also text, and the last one is date time. That's okay. Yeah, that's fine. Click on next. I need to choose my own primary key. So what is the primary key? Group underscore code, this one. So here group underscore code. So this is the one already selected. Click on next. Click on finish. And then you don't need to save the import steps. Click on close. So you will see this table has also been imported successfully without any import errors. Double click to open it. You can see that. Okay. Now I will close that again. Yeah, I need to take the screenshot. So right click and go to design view. There you go. And sorry, I need to just see that start time. Okay, so this click on the field start time. What is the format? The format should be long time. Okay, either you can write long. You just click on long time. That's okay. Why? Because it is as per the requirement of the paper. Now I need to take the screenshot of that, including the primary key. So I'm going to press Windows Shift S again. Then once this plus sign comes, take the mouse pointer towards there where you can see it. Press the left mouse click, keep it pressed, drag it towards the right side until the required field, and release the left click. Go to the evidence document, and this is 16. Okay, step 16. I'm going to put it over here. There you go. If you think that the image is small enough, you can increase the size of the image so that once you take the print, the visibility is there. Okay, so that is also done. Now, next step number 17. Import the file j2321 cat underscore codes.csv as a new table in your database. Set all the data types to text. You need to change all the data types to text, and then you need to make this field cat underscore code as the primary key. And again, in this case, you need to take the screenshot of the field names and the data types along with the primary key. So let's do that. Again, same procedure you're going to repeat. I will close that first. You need to save it. Yes, of course. Go to external data, text file, browse. So what is the name of the table? J2321 cat codes. Cat underscore codes. Double click on that. Press OK. Click on next. First row contains field names. Then you need to click on, click on next. Here, let's see all the data types are text or not. It's already text, so that's no need to change. Next, choose my own primary key. So what is the primary key? Cat underscore code. So cat underscore code, that is the primary key. Choose it. Press next. Finish. And then no need to save the import steps. Click on close. So there you go. You can see towards the left side in this span, in all access object span, all the three tables have been imported successfully without any import error. So cat codes, you can see that. Okay, I need to take the screenshot of its field names, data types, and the primary key. So right click over here, go to design view. Again, you need to press Windows Shift S from the keyboard. And then when the plus sign comes, take the mouse pointer over here, press the left mouse click, keep it pressed and drag it to select and release the mouse click. Go to the evidence document again. This is step number 17. There you go. Right click and paste and increase the size a little bit so that while printing it looks fine. Yeah, there you go.